All right, guys, so I just got done filming the full review on this 2010 R35 GTR. If you haven't already, definitely be sure to check it out. I'll probably leave a link on top of the video right now to it. But this car is absolutely insane. I know from the outside it looks factory, but underneath, just to name like the main thing, the HKS GT1000 turbo kit, different internals, forged pistons, different camshafts, different connecting rods. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. If you want to really know all the information about it, check out the full review on it. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely be sure to subscribe because we're coming up on 1,500 subscribers. And again, once I do hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing that merchandise giveaway where I'm going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber and one subscriber only. But anyways, now I'm actually going to strap the GoPro on top of my head, take you guys in the car with me, and go for a drive. All right, guys, so I apologize if the GoPro actually dies because it's running low on battery, but getting the launch in. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing is nuts. If you really want to see what's done to this car, definitely go check out that review. I highly suggest doing that because there's a lot of info on this car, and I don't really want to talk throughout this video. But pretty much how it's set up right now, it's on 93 pump gas, it's not on ethanol. So right now it's only 980 to the wheels. And I say only a little bit sarcastically because obviously the all-wheel drive with just under 1,000 wheel horsepower is still pretty damn insane. Haven't noticed already, I am driving it in the manual mode. Personally, whenever I am driving an automatic and it does have paddle shifters, I like to drive it like this, just because I think it's a lot more fun. Oh damn. Got a lot of geese on the side of the road. Definitely do not want to hit them. And of course, for the, I guess, remainder of the park, we're stuck behind this Buick, but it's alright because I'll probably cut to the highway. Hopefully I get some space after this CRV. Yeah, you guys could tell. I don't know if the footage is getting screwed up or not, but my neck's just snapping back in this thing. Little 35 roll. Unfortunately, we're stuck in traffic, as you guys can see, but this thing is absolutely nuts. Let's see if the V6 Camaro wants to race. I mean, this thing's got a V6 too, right? freaking palms are sweaty from being in this thing. Downshift, another pull from second. Oh man, this thing is absolutely nuts. We got an Infinity G35 with a K&N sticker, another sticker, and fake titanium exhaust tips, and like, I don't know what the hell that is, a thong hanging from the back. Oh no, I guarantee he's probably gonna try to do a pull or something. Stay. Oh my God. I can't even open it up. I can't even open it up. At the top of third, I have to go right to the brakes because there's just so much damn traffic. Hopefully here I'm gonna take this U-turn, and I think it's a little bit more open on the other side. We'll see. I'm glad I'm doing this POV video though, because during the review you guys couldn't see this, but like like I'm saying, I'm literally just hitting the accelerator like just a little bit. I'm just little pulls, and it's just immediately catching up to the back of the car in front of me. Even when I leave space too, it's mad annoying. It's so annoying because I know this thing's a beast. Tell by the tach too, but I'm not even revving this up like insanely high. It does have an 8500 red line, that's what it's tuned for. I'm probably shifting right at like 7,000, probably a little over 7,000, but still it's nuts. You can tell I'm breaking this guy's neck right now. A GTR! V6 twin turbo, 1100 horsepower. Oh my God. I don't know if I'm gonna edit that out or not, but that was hilarious. I was just talking to that like guy in the truck or whatever, the older guy in the truck, and he's like, what the hell is that? And I'm like, it's a GTR. And then he goes, what engine's in it? And I was like, oh, it's twin turbo V6 or something, I said. And then he's like, oh, all right. And then I said 1100 horsepower and just hit it, and he was like, what the f? Oh man, I love this car so much. It's freaking insane. All right, well now unfortunately I got to bring this thing back to its owner because I've had this out for long enough today. But I mean, you could tell now I put it in auto and it kind of upshifts up in the fifth. Now it's in the sixth, and for the most part it's actually, dare I say, kind of calm when it's in like the auto version or whatever. But yeah, when you have this thing in manual and you're rolling through those lower gears, it's just an absolute beast. I'm actually gonna switch it back over to manual because I'm gonna have to accelerate into traffic here. And then this will be, I guess, the last pull. Yep, I'm in first. Oh, this thing's awesome. Another little detail that I like about this thing too is that the paddle shifters are mounted. A lot of the, I guess, cheaper cars, they'll have the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. I absolutely hate that. But again, this thing's an R35 GTR, so what do you expect? All right, well, anyways, guys, that's pretty much just gonna be it for today's video. Again, if you want to see the full specs on this car and all the different information and the mods on this specific R35 GTR, definitely click the link on the video. I'll also leave it in the description, but definitely go check out the full review I did on this thing, because this thing is badass. But anyways, guys, like always, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, this thing is nuts.